You know, in one of the world's most complex and high-stake industries, there is a universal language that keeps everything from going. We are going to decode that language in this course, the technical drawing of the petroleum industry. Oil refineries and the massive process plant are incredible feats of engineering, but with all that complexity comes some serious risk. In an environment like this, one little line out of place on any of this drawing is just a mistake. It can have an absolutely catastrophic result. So how does this massive, high-pressure, multi-billion-dollar project actually run safely and efficiently? The answer is all about mastering a very specific, visual, universal language. So let's get to this. So why this drawing matters so much? This drawing are the literal blueprint for success and safety in each of this plant. These drawings are way more than just picture. They make sure an engineered exact design come to life and standardize everything so teams all over the world are on the same page, are all over the disciplines in this project are on the same page. Most critically, they enable safe origin by helping you spot and prevent a dangerous situation before they start. They are the single source of truth for getting things done correctly. So to speak this language, you have to know the different types of this drawing. First is the PFDs, or process flow diagram, which are the total view showing the big picture journey of the material going through your plant. Next, we zoom in the piping and instrumentation diagram. This is your street level view, detailing every single pipe, valve, and the sensor and the equipment needed to control this process. To understand how it fits together in the real world, there are also piping isometrics, which gives a 3D picture for construction and how they are routed across the plant. Finally, we have the plot plan and the general arrangement, which act as the master map for the construction and the location of each equipment and used mainly in the construction phase. So, do you know the critical difference between all of them? Because when you are the job, your project budget is and your team safety absolutely depend on these drawings. So first, let's start with the difference between the PFDs and the P&ID. The thinking that trip up people is that the PFD versus the PID is the simplest way to remember it. It's concept versus control. On the left, PFD is the strategic big picture. It shows how the major pieces connect and evolve flow. But the P&ID on the right is the technical plan that gets into every single detail in your plant, pipe, valve, instrument, equipment. It's the difference between knowing a final destination and having detailed turn by turn direction to get there. So, how do you master all of this drawing? The best to real expertise start with a clear goal. Understanding why these drawings are essential and how they support the project execution and safely. The goal foundation of this brand new course, Technical Drawing in the Petroleum Industry, is that to help you understand all of this technical drawing, all of the required drawing you need, and the order of this drawing coming out to life during the project life cycle, and what every drawing means, and how you are going to understand this standard and how can you apply them in your project. This course is for process engineer, operation, instrumentation team, mechanical fabricator, layout designer, and engineering. This course is going to be free. You can have it in Udemy. You can have it also in YouTube. This is a chance to gain a critical career skill that impacts safety and efficiently without spending any time. It's time to master the language of engineering and take a huge step forward in your career. So, head on now and enroll in this course in Technical Drawing as a Petroleum Engineer on Udemy. Thank you very much.